Hey, this is Michael de la Cruz, and if you've been wanting to know how to make money online from the comfort of your home, guess what? I'm going to be sharing with you in this video 5 needed ingredients to make that happen for yourself and truly profit huge online. So stay tuned. And let's go ahead and get to it. And before I continue, if this is the first time visiting my channel or visiting this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming videos where I share topics like the ones you're seeing on the screen, okay? And also, to tell you a little bit about myself, I was just where you at right now. I was online searching for ways to make money because I wanted to be at home for my wife, right? I wanted to be there for her. And this method that I'm going to share with you today has allowed me to be there for my loved ones, be there for my wife, do things that we actually enjoy doing, right? I don't have to be tied to a cubicle job. I don't have to depend on somebody else to produce income, because this method has allowed me to do it exactly from the comfort of my home. And not only that, is that the most important thing is that it has given me the time freedom that I need to enjoy life to the fullest. So with that being said, I just want to congratulate you for stepping up, for going out there and searching for a way out. Maybe you're a person that you're looking to maybe retire, you're looking to replacing your income. Maybe you heard of people making money on the internet from the comfort of their home, and you want to do it, you want to do that yourself, not just for the money, but just for what you're able to do when time and money is not, it's not an issue. That's what I love about making money online, is that it gives you both financial and time freedom if you have these 5 needed ingredients that I'm going to share with you today. All right. So with that being said, go ahead and let me go ahead and share with you my PowerPoint. So what are the 5 needed ingredients to, so you can make, income on the internet from the comfort of your home? So the 5 needed ingredients: number 1, you're gonna need a quality product to sell. There is no way around this. You're gonna need products to sell, right? Products could be something digital. Preferably, it should be something digital, something that a person can access through a website, through downloading. You know, that's pretty much what you need. Some courses, I'm just giving you examples. But that's the first ingredient there, and I'm illustrating you right now what they are. And then number 2, you're going to need a way to find interested people to buy these products. That's a lot of people struggle with making any type of money because they're having a hard time finding people that would actually be interested in buying those products that they own, right? So you're gonna have to know how to do that, right? That's the ingredient number 2. Ingredient number 3, you're gonna know how to build websites, pages, sales funnels, and copywriting for each page, right? You're gonna have to know how to do that if you really wanna, win in the and making money online from the comfort of your home. The 4th ingredient you're gonna need is a follow-up series of emails for your prospects. So in other words, once you got people to the website, visitors, you're gonna have to find a way to follow up with these people, and the best way is through email. So you're gonna need a follow-up series of emails that can be sent to your prospects so you can follow up with them. Okay. The 5th ingredient, it will be domain name and web hosting, right? Or website hosting. So domain name is basically a www.yourname.com or whatever, whatever name you want to give your website. That's what your domain name is. And these are the 5 main things that you need. If you want to make money online from the comfort of your home, there is no way around this. If you want to do it the right way, there is no way around this. The problem is, and I'm going to share with you what the problem is, that it is not easy getting all these things taken care of and positioned in the proper order, right? But it has to be done. Like I said, there's no way around it. It has to be done. Okay. People spend so much time, so much money, and a lot of people don't even finish what they starting how to do this. But don't worry, I'm gonna share with you a solution how to really get this going without you having to need any technical skills or having to build sites or anything like that. Okay, so just stay with me here, because I'm saying this because a lot of people, they get stuck trying to, make money online, from home, because they're trying to do all this stuff themselves. They don't have to do this stuff themselves. Okay, so stay with me. I got a solution for you. So as you can see, making a full-time income online is all about conversions, right? You have I'm gonna illustrate you what this looks like. It's all about the ability of your product or sales funnel has to take website visitors and turn them into buyers, right? It's all about conversions. It's all about bringing traffic into our website, which is traffic is simply visitors, and the ability of that website and your sales funnel, your whole sales funnel, turning those visitors into buyers, right? So that you can earn commissions, right? That's the game of making money online. Okay, so in case you haven't noticed, a ton of time can go into making a product or creating a sales funnel. I don't know if you already tried that yourself, but this is really super hard and time consuming. Trust me, when I started this, I actually tried doing this myself, but then I found a better way, right? I found a better way. Okay, so that's the most problem that most people go through, is that they're trying to do this themselves. Those trying to do all those 5 ingredients themselves, and they get stuck in the process. They get frustrated, and they blame, systems. They blame, they have limited belief because they think that they have to be all techie savvy. You do have to be some technical work to, to get all that built, to get all those 5 ingredients set up, but you don't have to do it yourself. There's already people with that intelligence that can do it for you, and I'm going to show you how you can get all of these 5 ingredients all done for you. So keep your eye on this video, because again, what I'm sharing with you, can potentially change your life, right? Can change your financial, situation, faster than you ever thought possible. Okay, so let me illustrate to you what this looked like, right? This 5 ingredients looks like. Okay, so we got traffic here. So this is the formula to making legit money online. So you got traffic. Traffic is simply visitors, right? Visitors are people that are interested in certain products on the internet, and they're searching from anywhere. They're searching for for a solution to the problem. So when they search for the solution to the problem, they stumble upon different websites. Now the website, as I said, everything's about conversion. So the websites that you want to really send visitors to is a website that can actually get the person's information, so that way you can follow up with them, right? And then after you find that, then when they find that solution, then the person's purchase something, then you get paid, right? And then once they enter either a name or email, or their details, so you can follow up with them. At the same time, you're going to be following up with this with this visitors, with this prospect, through email, right? They gave you permission to email them. So this is a simple formula to really making money online from the comfort of the home, again, or your home. But again, this can take time. This is time consuming to set all this up yourself. So as I said, you're gonna have to find a program that already has all these already done for you. You're gonna have to partner up with a program that already has. Let me go back to the 5 ingredients very quick. So you're gonna have to find a program that has quality products already done for you. You don't have to worry about creating products. Again, that can take time. You're gonna have to find a program that has a way to find interested people to buy the product. So you want to find a program that has done for you traffic. This is the easiest way, right? It has done. You have to find something, a company that has done for you traffic. You're gonna have to find a program that you can order visitors, to go to a website of a website that has products that these visitors are interested in, right? Then you're gonna have to find a program that has website pages already done for you, sales funnels, copywriting, for each page. Because again, you're just starting out, you don't know nothing about this yet. I mean, you might already know, but I'm just talking to you if you're a person that is new to this, or if you're already a seasoned, this can work for you too. Okay, and then you're gonna have to find a program that has already done for you follow-up series. So they're following up, you know, um, the funnel with your prospects on your behalf, right? That's already done for you. And then lastly, you're gonna have to find a program that has already a domain name and has already, web hosting already incorporated. Now, how do you find a program like that? That's a question right there. If you want to learn how you can get all of this done for you starting today, go ahead and click the link below. It's that first link that says my #1 recommendation. Click that link, access those details, and get started. Watch the video all the way to the end and just simply get started. You're gonna get access to done for you products. You're gonna get access to done for you traffic, which is done for you visitors that's gonna be sent over to a website. You're gonna have free websites already done for you. All you got to do is send visitors to the website, and you can order traffic or visitors within that platform actually for like you're ordering a pizza, right? You're gonna get access to that just for being involved with this program. You're also gonna have done for you follow-up series, and you're gonna have help. You're gonna get a lot of help from coaches and a community that's gonna help you out. But these are the 5 needed ingredients that you're gonna need to make a full-time income from the comfort of your home. So if this is what you want, go ahead and click the link below, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.